Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. Mike here at Weeby Autos. We have a gorgeous car today. It's the nicest one I've ever seen. 1964 Triumph TR4 with the current owner for over 45 years. It's just incredible. I have a stack of receipts about 6 inches thick, every workshop manual and everything you can imagine. London drives fantastic. Added seat belts, roll bar as well. Owner was a retired police officer. Very meticulous guy. Unfortunately, he passed away. I'm helping his wife sell it. It is phenomenal. Black leather seats, white piping, brand new top, tonneau cover, a lot of extra parts that go with it as well. Added seat belts, rubber mats. Even sent the radio out and had an auxiliary input put on it. He screws around with his iPad. Gorgeous dash, not a crack. Owner's manuals too. Man, I love this Banjo steering wheel too. So iconic. Shown 64,136 miles. I'd say that's original. Starts right up. Beautiful dash, no cracks. Yeah, just such a pretty car. Love the turn signal too, so cool. Very neat. Inline 4. And it is gorgeous. Dual Stromberg. Both have a chrome valve cover that comes with it. Let's take it top. Iconic Roadster right here. Got K&N Style Air Filter just for better breathing. Yeah, wiper motor is like brand new. Very special car here. A lot of fun to drive these cars. Beautiful back here as well. An original style spare. And the receipts go on forever with this car. Good beauty. Brand new top, tonneau cover, the jack and all the tools, tire iron. There's the chrome valve cover I was telling you about. Shop manual, original style battery. Looks like a new rack and pinion. This is a Fender, goes over the Fender to work on it. Brake parts, oil filter, a couple of seals, some other miscellaneous parts. It's like brake hoses, distributor cap, and air filters. These are original style air filters. If you want to change out those K&Ns. The K&Ns really breathe real nice. And look at this car. Incredible. To take out this roll bar too, it's pretty easy to do. All Dynamatting I noticed too under the carpets. Gives it nice sound deadening. Beautiful door panels. Yeah, just awesome. Great oil pressure. Yeah, so beautiful. Look at the visors. Absolutely gorgeous. Okay. Thanks for joining us today, guys. Again, my name is Mike from Weeby Autos. Give me a call, 631-339-0399. I took about 200 and change pictures today. I just couldn't stop. It's gorgeous. 631-339-0399. Smash that subscribe button. Visit my website. Give me a call. I'll talk to you soon. Thanks a lot.